How to gradient colors in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to gradient colors in Figma. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The very first thing to do is to log on to your Figma account on your PC, and once you're logged in, this is the interface that will be displayed on your screen. So Figma is basically about design. If you want to make beautiful designs, you see several tools here for designs that will be available to you. You can design birthday display picture, you can design wedding display picture, you can make whatever design you want actually on Figma, because you see the necessary tools that you need to use for design on Figma. Now, when you log in to your account, at the top right left corner of your screen, you see the main menu icon. You see the move tools icon. Also, you close to it, you see the region tools icon, and you also see the tools shape tools icon. You see the creation tools icon, you see the text tools icon, and you see the resources icon, you see the add tools icon, and the add comment icon. So at the top right corner of your screen, you see the share icon. Here you can click on it to share your beautiful designs with your friends and your clients. You also see the prototype view icon and the missing font icon. So since you want to learn how to gradient colors in Figma, you click on that particular frame or the design that you've made. Once you click on it, you check the right side of your screen. The first thing you're going to see is the design section, and the next section is the layer section. Then the next one is the fill section. After the word fill, here you go to the box that is just after fill. You click on it, and a drop down displayed on your screen where you have the first icon here says solid. Then the next one says gradient. So you click on gradient, just like I'm doing here. Okay, you click on it. Once you click on gradient, you can scroll down the page. You can scroll down to see the color that you want. If you want, you see that lower part of the page, we have the red color, we have the let's say orange color, we have the green color. You can just choose the color that you want. We have the blue color, the light blue color, we have the deep blue color, we have the pink color, we have the red color or the deep blue red color, and so on. So you can just choose whatever color that you want. You see it at the lower part of the drop down here. So this is simply how to do it. Okay, remember, you log on to your account. Once you're logged in, you click on the particular design that you want and check the right side of the screen where you see fill. You click on the box that is under fill, and you come here, or a drop down will be displayed, and the top of the drop down you see the gradient icon. Click on the gradient icon, and you'll be able to choose your color under the gradient icon. So I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to gradient colors in Figma. Thank you.